you have given me so much of honor with different. So where I here only you started, right? Please come. Please come. Yes. Direct.
80 meters.
How long it will fly?
Sir, it is time is it varies.
Combined for the agriculture, horticulture department of Tripura. Due to TRI, Tribal Research Institute, Kerala currently. I'm telling you. শীতল দিয়ে এটা মজদেন খান ওকে লাউ খান everywhere leaving JNK. This is the best teaching, but control the quantity. Don't eat like any other. Santosh Das, Director T. Sameti, if I am pronouncing correctly, Sri Aurobindo Debarma, and also we have Joint Director SARS Dr. Uttam Shah, Dean College of Fisheries Dr. A.B. Patel, Dr. B.P. Singh, Head of Division of Technology, ICAR, Sri Diganta Das. Dr. Chaudhary was telling that GM was supposed to come, but the GM has come. But I must tell you that the future GM has come. Because from DGM only he become GM. So we can say that GM nahi aaya, future GM has come today. I really thank him from NABARD. And of course, the head of ICR Tripura Center, Dr. V.U. Chaudhary. I really thank all of you all, and also all the scientists, research officers, technicians. Teaching ICR by Karanja, Takukte Kukuk Somno, Dalai Balai, Kaka Hamjapar. Anko Korok Salai Joktawana. It was a great experience for me also today to be here, and I'm sure I have named almost everyone, and also Commandant Sahab from CRPF is here. I thank you also to be part of this program. It is a great experience for me in the sense that ICR scientists, you all have gone far ahead now. You know, in the technological invention, the system, the low-cost technologies you have demonstrated today. It's mind-blowing, let me tell you. But the only thing is, this all has to be taken to the farmers, who are the real end users of this technology. That's why I was talking to Dr. Chaudhary that you must have this kind of exhibition, not here in a small place. Take it to the open ground, like Astabal ground, one of the finest place. I must tell that if you want to connect with the people, that's the place where we can bring the technology and the end user together. And he was talking about the funding problem. I think my forest department, we have agroforestry, one part of our livelihood project. Probably we can collaborate, and partly I also can take the initiative to fund to do such program in Astaval ground. This is one. Second thing, for the scientists, I just want to give a simple message to you. You may feel that Tripura is a small state, that what really we can contribute here. Research scientists can work better in Punjab, Haryana, or maybe in Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka, because they have huge land, so that you can really do experiment and you can try your technologies. But if I was in your position, I would have taken Tripura as a challenge, because scientists, you should invent some technology or some method where you don't have much of land but the production is big. That should be the invention. You have large space but you can produce so much. I think that technology will not be appreciated by the farmers. And we all are standing in the challenging situation in the world. Dr. Chaudhary was telling that we have deficit in milk, deficit in fish, also in meat, I'm sure, because still fish is coming from Kolhapur and also from Telangana, Hyderabad, from Bangladesh. Bangladesh is our big source for hilsa. And then, why this deficit? The deficit could be the scientists, you all have invented the technology, but the technology has not reached to the farmers. This may be one of the reasons. Norok Zara Tinoro Painero, Dr. Chaudhary Ano Sao, Chingari Makok Buzinable Noro, Chingari Mana horse in Rinabung in the Ada mono kutungo payang so horse in Zagi Dogat. Nisa a Kamna Naidoga, Dr. Chaudhary. Mono go asake tungo, it is so hot. आपने हमको चिंगारी लाने के लिए बोला, मैं खुद चिंगारी बन गया आज. It is so hot. Next time, see, you should have the research, Indian Council of Agricultural Research. This is the top institution in the country for agriculture. Tripura Center of kaisa air conditioned training hall tongnani dorkar. Oro jesut pokrok thanda borok tuma pokrok tungoi training ni pora thap leni thanda ete. Oro kun sirman lagai. Hasingu chini Santir Bazar ni folk dance masai tongkru Jinta Gedi. He is the real scientist. The male folk dancer is the real scientist. Khorok tham bari bai khorok sa salam saka. I was a scientist, I think. Huh? Dr. Chaudhary, nang lekha pora puri birat bigyani Naidan Santir Bazar ni ani borok khorok sa bai gai borok dance kai biga bari khorok tham no musari donika bari. Was a real scientist. I see a Santautam Makene. No Borok Kaham, Sawambo Kaham Sale. Problem Boro has Kemo Krishok Namusuyat. Krishoku Mane, Satum Bukuron and Naya. Kemo Musuyat, Albaidi, my Pordi, my Radi, my Nadi, Hugo Tangi, my Kaidi are very difficult, I tell you. It is easy to tell that farmers, you become active. Kaun active banna chahta? Standing here, I can tell, I have seen my life and the world. People who are selling their energy every day, they earn little bit of amount of money. People sitting under the fan, they earn much bigger amount. People sitting in the AC room, they earn the most. So why these farmers will burn their skin in the hot sun? I don't have mobile. My mobile is with my personal security officer. That mobile is costing not less than 70,000. Initially, I used a mobile which is of 24,000 rupees. It used to hang. Because so many apps, so many things we need to download. Banking applications, Google, Wikipedia, so many things, n number of things. The mobile does not work. I had to go for this mobile. This mobile is costing not less than 70,000. अभी एक जमातिया साहब ने आके इधर बोला, बीर सिंह जमातिया देखो ताकू नहीं दूँ, बड़ों तक बड़ा हॉल बीचिंग देतो, बीर सिंह देनिंग दूँ, बीर सिंह ताकू बीर सिंह ताजिंग छाका, जानी इनकम 1,20,000 টাকা, प्रत्येक बছর तक monthly 10,000 इनकम खाइमानी, ICR by करंगलाई ताकू yearly 10 লক্ষ টাকা. So if I roughly calculate, it will be around say 80,000 per month. Not, but 80,000 per month bin income kano ekta mobile by keno bin ek mas ne beton share. Whereas oro ICR o jara scientist nge asuk tongero 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh, 3 lakh beton man hoy. আর যারা বুকুর মধ্যে কৃষক খাই নাই বড় রাঙাজি মায়া আম সানর মুসু কিন্তু চিনো উপায় করে we have no other option যে বড়গনি তে কোনো লামা করে বড় ঠিকুঙ্গ হকি বক্সা গেখায় কেরাং নালিয়া বহে মো আইসিআর নি সাইন্টিস্ট রো তি প্রাসারগনি ঠিকুঙ্গ হকি বগতা বগেছে ইন্দে না Malde, right? Ang siwa bo kosto, kiaba. There are technique. Ang ekjon krishok no silo. This is a lifetime testimony given by one farmer in Tripura. I know one farmer from Unabhuti district. I know him for the last 26 years. From my days in Mumbai, I happen to know this guy. He was a farmer. He is junior to me by 4 to 5 years. Matro class 3 jora Holy Cross School of Porikam. Only till class 3. Since he studied in Holy Cross, he can speak English. That's the advantage. Whenever he meets some army officers, he'll ask their help. Whenever he meets some Christian fathers, he'll ask their help. When he'll meet person like Dr. Chaudhary, he'll ask help. Virat Tekra Kuai Bagan Khaiga in the last 26 years. And now his yearly earning is more than 70 lakhs. More than 70 lakhs. Only agriculture. So please tell them of farmer Ramno Mas Hanai. বছরন তত 25 লাখ 30 লাখ ইনকাম ফাইনালি মতো আমদি চাষ ইকক্স করন স্বাধীনতা মাশরুম ফালে আই নো selling mushroom you can earn 30,000 rupees a month but you cannot earn 50 lakhs a year. Chini dhani tabuko I tell the agricultural scientists agar is the next generation crop in Tripura. Agar एक एकटा agar bufan it can give you 20-25 lakhs. Angle nok agar bufan ni kok kena kena agor misal agor oro prai borno scent fully pegage scent perfume a scent namani abo agar ni oil nam hoye. I am not discouraging mushroom ro tokta khumro Pigari ICR need not to teach us. So no purna what bahigari nahi so purna sun to purna bol right. They are the real scientists. So now purna nahi. Kintu sunno emon fosol funuktung boro je fosol ano hazar ya no লক্ষ টাকা ইনকাম খাইমানানি আর টেকনোলজি সাথে মাধ্যমে because the landscape of Tripura is unlike Haryana, it is unlike Punjab. Punjab boro musu pai dal bai ba tractor bai shankari ahai ka motor nai funga ka bas tarpor tractor kona pehalwan dudh na sa 2.5 liter abo aroni farmer rokai in the country bini asaka mai production mairu super fine rice Haryana Gurugram ni theke direct US Europe bin mairu thagwat that is called farmer and our this farmer they are Gujarat farmers omoke chai ba sina sini chai omoke kun claim আছে so I would request ICAR scientists सुनो आमती technology friendly जे technology by chini farmer ro 1 acre is how much 2.5 tons 1 acre চাষ লাইয়ান অন্তত 10-15 লক্ষ টাকা রোজগার খাই মান্নানি মতো আরো লামা মা ফুলবে আ লামানি বাগিবান করনো I put forward my humble suggestion to them ini ang kaban kok saka muy kumu mushroom uji chini paro je mushroom man mane abo pai pai kogi pai no mukhnai abo no rahui just somdi tipuno nai কিন্তু ও বাজার দি মাশরুম আমো চাকরি চাইবো ঠিক গিয়া বুদ্ধি চাইবো ঠিক গিয়া সামথিং সাম প্রবলেম আবুন বেলে আনগরনো সাকা ফুটেলো ফালনা বাগি সিনি এক দাক লাইদি এই প্রশাসনা নেই ওয়ানসাসানা নেই আমাদের সন্তোষ বাবু উনিও মাশরুম খান আপনিও মাশরুম খান কিন্তু মাশরুম আমরা ত্রিপুরারা কি মাশরুম খাই আমরা চাকরি খাই গদক খাই আওয়ান্দ্র খাই আমাদের মাশরুম নেই আর বাঙালিদের মাশরুম কি বাংলারা আলু টালু দিয়ে একটু গরম মশলা টসলা দিয়ে একদম ভাজা বংনিব বড় সো চাকরি আওয়ান্দ্র গদক চানান দাগে চিনি ইন্ডিজিনাস যে মাশরুম she was there I don't know your name I have forgotten your name she is also doctorate she was there bonan saka bosai do Dr. Chaudhary sir wo nahi kar pate wo different breed hai ye different breed hai theek hai yes masabai mayungno hybrid klai mai aapke sei bai musukno hybrid khaine aapke kintu chini aap mushroom no fano please take that our indigenous mushroom and then in large scale we should be able to produce you know chini as a indigenous and samani chini haplogo muikumu manmani Jammu and Kashmir 5,000 per kilo 5,000 rupees 5,000 whereas in Tripura 450-500 টাকা কেজি 10 গুণ Jammu and Kashmir aboni dam so why don't you take that breed and then do research on that so that we can sell it to the market where we get more money. And then I don't know ICAR has got a concept of marketplace. Is link them. Chini of farmer noro ja maning mani chini Dr. Chaudhary the entire team of Dr. Chaudhary borno bhai sajjan ফসল খাইকা ফসল খাইছে রাংমাই একে তামলা আং কাইসা ঘটনা সানাই খুয়াইনি কল্যাণপুর হইছে और रुपिनी थाजिगो ताम रुपिनी सिखाओ निबो बरोबो थाजिगो जवर पा ओके खुवाई कल्याणपुर सिसिदन जिओ खुय खुवाई कल ताम गानो चल जिनि खरकसा बरो इ प्रासानो जाइथालिक सफ्री कला खूब गाम के चास खाइगे बरो फालनाइबो कल्याणपुर बाजार थांगाय बखरगो रुजुई थांगा बहायते हालिक तो रुजुई थांगाय आसे कारणी दुकानदार हामजाका बबो एक आली बबो दुई आली बबो दुईटा खाई ना खा नाहारी साका हारे पैसा देन बबिन बखरगन थालिक पाई थांगाय আমার দোকানে আয়া পয়সা দিয়ে বসি ছিনিয়ে বাজার তঙ্গে নালে বাজার থাকতে হবে আমার এগ্রিকালচার প্রোডাক্ট এই বাজারটা যেন আমার মাথার উপরে না হয় আর এই বকরক ছাড়াও বাজারকে ভাইলেই হয় আমার বাজার দিতে হবে সরকার মামান শুনাই দেব please take up why don't you ICAR you please put forward your proposal to the government indigenously produced muya samsata thorai orai omorong phalnan bage even in Agartala Udaipur Amarpur ইত্যাদি জায়গা ইন্ডিজেনাস আপনারা বুঝতে পারছেন ইন্ডিজেনাসলি প্রোডিউসড এগ্রিকালচার প্রোডিউসেস অফ ফালদানি বাগে মার্কেট শেপ নাই you have to have stock otherwise where you will sell every now and then they are being chased out by the local shopkeepers here their rights also have to be protected let me tell you until unless you cannot protect their interest why they will grow they will not आपको बाजार create करना it is not only training about the technologies also we have to safeguard their interest and we must write with the government I think this must be happening every day गबां मा जागा सन्नु बुझिनि मुया फालनाय ओ फालनाय र लामाओ वाती वागाई साथी थनैमा फालो है भाइके फालना है के सो अमरको ICAR में आलोचना करी they must demand for more funds see I am a forest minister I cannot ask fund for agriculture you have every right you collaborate I cannot ask fund for buying guns because I am not home minister so it is your department you please vis-a-vis side by side the way you are inventing the technologies you government research scientists institutions all of us we should collaborate and we must focus on opening up some organic stores also let us challenge this is a big challenge I am telling you 1st of October 2024 is a day for taking the challenges Dr. Chaudhary will appreciate me he is a man from Hailakandi he told me not so far from our place he is also from the neighboring state DP Singh Sahab sun raha hai mera baat he is also smiling he must be wondering हम साइंटिस्ट को क्यों मार्केट प्रोटेक्शन के लिए बोल रहा है तो बोलना है because see as a citizen of the country you are doing research technology पे आप काम कर रहे हो why will not speak out this you see I am a politician I am also a minister still I am talking about this Santosh Das is an officer he must speak up then only the rights of the farmers will come because there are people they don't bother about your organic or inorganic few days back I bought one vegetable from Lake Chomoni market I could not eat it was smelling some fertilizer there instantly I said it fell out I will not eat this whatever process whatever technique you adapt to clean up the fertilizer from the vegetable I think it will not work by 100%. So the best process is we must tell the buyers, the citizens, the intellectual people in the society, you must have some workshop like this, not only with the farmers, also with the buyers. You tell them that these are the advantages of eating organic vegetable. Noro বরং খালি জাম আমা যত রুজুই যাক দে আঙ্গরও সবাই একটা বা বার্তা দে ডেইলি খুশ খাই দি কৃষি বিজ্ঞান কেন্দ্র চিনি মান ভাই তোদের অঙ্ক মেশিন দিয়ে they must give bom thani tongo and I am happy I also thank it is not all putting forward my suggestion and boro hambairu boro koro bhai jebabe chini bir singh jamate ahe boro krok bhai chini o khoroksa boro mura ganani Champabari, Bisini, financially Takuk Sombai, link up like Samutaka. I think this kind of workshop, this kind of knowledge sharing, Omono Tibo Gram Gonzot Langi Tangi, Uang Sinimani Borok, Shoktur Lak Tagani, Upor Tabuko income Kayo, Avon Nizeni Bini, Gari, Innova Gari, Bini Busazo, America Hori Porito Tabu. Wonderful, class 3 or a. This is the success story. And somewhere I have read Ankasha Porikauro, Borokso, integrated farming system, IFS. Integrated farming system tamo, koka abo chas kaidi, wagbo kusidi, tok boridi, maibo kaidi, mompol kaidi, thaisumo kaida hai sable. These are all integrated. Are integrated farming system. The Tripura tribals were the leaders in the country, I am telling you. You ask that dancer, Ayada, Sini, integrated no Kaile, Mai Busle, Momfol, Taishumu, Dormai, Zotor, we say, I like Sarusan, Sini Hugaite, everything comes up. Okay? Now only the scientists and other people, they say, only paddy, only wheat, only bottle gourd. Our system of cultivation in the hills was integrated farming system only. In every household, you'll find. Sini protek nagar look na wak tomo, unbo tomo, zara plain area wa tomo musupo tomo, pukur tomo. We live in the integrated farming system. I'm telling you, but what is important is the latest technology to be taught to them, and inke piche lagte raho, I am telling you. There is one Hindi film you must have watched, Lage Raho Munna Bhai. So, Dr. Chaudhary and the entire team, har ab log scientists log inke piche lage raho, then only they will do. Otherwise they will take and they will forget. That culture, China culture, Abu Sayang, Sagador Chadagir Nai. Siltalango, Ekbosor Payo, Poktan. Sil Protek was or Makene, Abu Chini, Taku Bir Singh High, Sil success stories was Namnai, Chini, Kawama Zara Chashi, Bravar Clay, Uai Chas Clay, or Borobok Zebabe Rangaziga. I think we should repeat that kind of success story. I think I will not speak much because Lord Zotan Mayo Pizza, no, my child, we take Fiza Furna Kogor. Our Gizim Parao, Conscious Shik of Rom to money, with a Buka Shik of night. Ulo, my child, we take at Conta Porta Buka. Thinking or no one thing like that. My child neighbor, I shall not know Furna or doing it. So, not of Sirantangi for the technology. It is really good that scientists and the farmers, you all have come together and you are sharing your knowledge. I'm sure they also will share their feedback. That is also knowledge sharing. Nothing, I just came, I saw, and this is good infrastructure. Many more things can be done. Please feel free. I have agroforestry livelihood project, a small part of forestry. Please come, we can discuss. I think I can also tell you something whereby the same people, the group of people who lives in the hilly areas can be benefited out of the. So, ang kawan kok sariya norang chingari, di maya ang sa horse ni